Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're back with another breathing exercise. It's similar to what we've done before, but with a different way of letting the air out. This is going to help you control your breath when you're singing, so you don't run out of air or scrape through. The end of a phrase usually happens, right? When you suddenly lose breath and go like that. And that's not what we want. Another great thing about this breathing exercise is that if you deal with any kind of anxiety, it can help calm you down. You'll become more aware of your body and feel more in control. Let's get started. The way we're releasing air today is with an X sound, like this. X. If you're not careful, that sound comes out really fast, so it's actually pretty hard to control. The goal is to release it while conserving as much air as possible. So we're going to breathe in for 4 counts and release the X for 4 counts. I'll be using this little guy here, a metronome, set to 75 BPM. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. Just listen and follow along, okay? That part isn't important right now. This is the tempo of the exercise we're about to do. So again, we inhale for 4 beats and release the X for 4 beats. Remember, this breath shouldn't lift your shoulders or tense up your neck. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed, all right? As you inhale, you fill your belly with air. I've explained in other videos on the channel how to do this calm breathing, filling the belly with air. It's not about lifting your chest, not this, okay? It's about thinking of your belly expanding as you breathe in. And when you release the air, it naturally comes back in. Let's go. All good so far? Now we're going to breathe in for 4 beats and release the air for 8, okay? We'll do this 3 times, in a very calm, relaxed way. Don't let all the X air out at the beginning. Otherwise, you won't make it to the end. You'll run out of breath. Let's go.
Foi mais. 8, hein?
Breathe calmly. This breathing exercise I'm teaching you also works as a warm-up when you're about to sing. Not a vocal warm-up, but a physical one. Vocal warm-ups are really important too.
Girando pra frente.
And you should definitely be doing those as well.
Girando pra frente. Foi. Último.
And for those of you who want to have this handy and easily accessible, I've just released my vocal warm-up pack. It comes with a few different bundles. And I'll leave my WhatsApp contact in the video description so you can purchase it there. It's really great. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.